Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, I'm going to discuss exercise 2.6. Here we have the question: solve the following system of equation. So we have question number 1. Actually, it's a question number 5 of exercise 2.6. So the solution for the given question is, here we are given two quadratic equation. So we can write the given equation. First one is 4x square plus 5y square is equal to 4. So equation number 1. The second equation is 3x square plus y square is equal to 3. So we can write equation number 3. Now to solve the given system of equation, we take equation number 2. So taking equation number 2, here we have 3x square plus y square is equal to 3. Now to solve the given system of equation, we take the second equation and then we multiplying both side by 5. So we have to multiply both side of this equation by 5. So 3x square plus y square multiply 5 is equal to 3 into 5. 3 multiply 5. So from here we get 15x square plus 5y square is equal to 15. It's equation number 3. Now we have to find out the values of one variable. It maybe x or maybe y. So to find out the values of one variable, now we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we can write 15x square plus 5y square is equal to 15. So equation number 3, and the equation number 1 here is 4x square plus 5x is equal to 4. Now to subtract this, so we can just simply change the sign. So here we get 15 plus 15x square minus 4x square, so we get plus 11x square, and plus 5y square and minus 5y square cancel with each other. So we get plus 15 minus 11, we get 11. So 11x square is equal to 11. Now if we divide both sides by 11, so it cancels, so we get x square is equal to 1. Now taking square root both sides, so if we take the square root of both side, I mean x square and square root of x square and square root of 1, so we get x is equal to, taking square root both side, so square cancel with square root, so we get x is equal to plus minus 1. So we get the values of x, which is plus 1 and minus 1. So here we have the values of x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Now taking equation 1, now we have to write the equation number 1, which is 4x square plus 5y square is equal to 4. So now we will put the values of x, which is minus 1 and 1. So putting, first we have to put the values of x is equal to 1. So 4 into 1 square plus 5y square is equal to 4. So from here we get 4 plus 5y square is equal to 4. Now if we subtract for both sides, so we get 4 minus 4 plus 5y square is equal to 4 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 cancel both sides, so we get 5y square is equal to 0. Now divide both sides by 5, so we get y square is equal to 0. It's cancel, so if we take the square root of both sides, we get y is equal to 0. So hence when we take the values of x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 0. Now again we have 4x square plus 5y square is equal to 4. It's equation number 1. So now we will put the values of x is equal to 1. So put x is equal to 1, we get 4 into minus 1 square plus y square. 5y square is equal to 4. From here minus 1 square is again 4 plus 5y square is equal to 4 is equal to 4. Now if we subtract for both sides, we get 5y square is equal to 0. Same. So 5y square is equal to 0. Now dividing both sides by 5, we get y square is equal to 0. And now if we take the square root of both sides, so we get y square, y is equal to 0 because square cancel with square root, so we get y is equal to 0. So hence when when x is equal to minus 1, we get again y is equal to 0. So we can write the solution. Hence the solution set of the given system of equation. Solution set of the given system of equation is equal to 1 and 0, because if we take the values of x is equal to 1, we get the values of y is equal to 0, and if we take the values of x is equal to minus 1, we get again the values of y is equal to 0.